Right then, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Ford Escort, there she is. Look, the vendor says RS2000 custom. There you go, look, in black with black interior, special order. Last taxed in 1979, this car. Stored in a lockup in Coventry until 2020. The shell is in incredible condition for its age. Undersealed and cavity protected with Zybar. He's had it, and I have been accumulating parts to do the restoration, he says. New Higgins roof skin and floor, new carpet, new Cibi headlights. I'm assuming these bits are all with the car. There you go, look, new exhaust system. Engine is not original, but is painted in the green hammerite that was used by Burton's back in the day. No idea of the spec of the engine, but it is fitted with a Burton peg type adjustable cam wheel. It's a Type 9 5-speed with a quick shift. Let's turn it off. You can hear it running. Oh, that's better. Now, yes, it's been stood, and yes, it wants painting and some repairs. But it's got the makings of ever such a genuine Escort. Look, 13305 showing on there. Dash top is good, seats are good, headlining's good. It's a car you're gonna have to come down and have a look at. You need to come see it for yourself. Excuse me. Bootload of spares in there, look. Lots and lots of all sorts of bits and pieces in there. If you read the advert, you'll see. Boot lid's going to want a bottom in it. So, 1997 there, look. I think that form said 79, didn't it? I thought that was a little bit ambitious. 97, that is. There we are. Again, not bad in there, look. She's no doubt going to want a bit once you start getting into it, isn't it? So, it's a car you need to come down and have a little look at. Check it out, see what you think, go from there. Certainly a good little project for you. There you go, see you soon.